Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. Today I have a video that I'm going to talk about Uber Eats heat maps or surge maps, whatever they're called. I never noticed it before. So anyways, it was an interesting experience I had, so I wanted to share it. So thanks for clicking on this video. I'm really glad you're here. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would appreciate that. Let's just jump right in. Okay, so are these new? Am I just blind? I never noticed the heat map in Uber Eats until yesterday. I must admit I don't do Uber Eats very much, but lately I've been trying to run it along with Doordash and Grubhub because those two platforms are not as busy as they were before. So that just gives me a third option of offers to choose from. I don't get very many good offers on Uber Eats, but once in a while I do. The majority of them are $3 and $4, and I'm just not going to do that. But every once in a while I'll get one $10 or $12. I had one that was $20, and I was so shocked. But most of them are pretty bad. I don't think it's super popular around here, to be honest. Anyways, so this is what the heat map is that I was talking about. So this was, I have these out of order. Well, this was just a series as I was driving. So I was coming back from a delivery and I was here and it said plus 150 for the next trip. I'm like, awesome. So then I drove a little further, which is this map here. And then it said 225, which matched the 225 here. I'm like, okay, that's cool. So then I go a little bit further into the red, and now it says 425 the next trip. That was pretty awesome. I'm like, wow, is this really real? Yeah. So while I was in this 225 zone, previously, not during this series of screenshots here, I did get a $3 order. So plus the 225, I figured, oh God, it's still only $5. So I didn't take it. And it was a pretty far long drive. So I didn't take it. But I had Uber Eats on for over 6 hours. Okay. Because I wanted to see how this worked. Here's a couple more that I got as I got closer in. $3.75 for this one. And now $4.50. Here's a $10. It's crazy. It's like $8. Later on, I didn't do a screenshot of it, but I saw one that said $25. I'm like, holy cow, how can they afford to add $25 to a delivery? I don't know. Anyways, it was interesting to me. So here's basically the summary. Last night I started seeing them, but I never got an offer. I just today decided that I wanted to try to stay in the area that had the surges and hope I got an offer. I just wanted to see how it worked. I stayed logged in for over 6 hours. Like I said, I got 2 offers. That first one was that $3 one. Keep in mind, I was in a surge area the whole time, all 6 hours, except for when I was delivering. Like DoorDash and Grubhub, I did have some deliveries, obviously. And I'd go to a house like up here, but then I would drive right back in, or like a house over here and drive right back in. So I was not out of the zone, the hot zone or whatever they're called, for very long. So that one offer I said that I got for $3, it was going pretty far, even with the added 225 surge. It was not worthwhile. But then later, I did get another offer shortly after this screenshot. So it said plus $3, and it was a $9.38 delivery from Jamba Juice to a home not very far from there. Maybe a mile and a half from Jamba Juice. So awesome. So I took it. Okay, so I never got my extra $3. Here's a screenshot that I just did. It's now like 10 p.m. And this was at like 4 something this afternoon. It shows all my info here. What happened to the surge money? When do I get it? Is there another step in the process that I somehow missed? It only took me 15 minutes to do the whole delivery for the $9.38, so that's still good. But I want the extra $3. I said I was going to get $3 more. So I want those $3. I got the tip. I got the net fare, and then the tip. So when I first completed it, it had the 580 showing, and then after an hour or whatever it is, then the customer tip came and it was $3.58, and I thought that's when they would add the $3, but nope. I'm still waiting. I don't know. It doesn't seem right that they would offer you that and then you don't get it. It doesn't make sense to me. Why have it on the offer screen if you're really not going to get it? Why promise a surge money and then not give it to the driver? And why have a surge at all if there aren't even any offers out there? I literally had Uber Eats on for over 6 hours and got a total of 2 offers. Is it a trick to get people to drive to certain spots? What's the purpose? Do you have any input on this? What's your experience? I'm really, really, really curious. I'm going to do some research on my own, but I just wanted to do this video while I was thinking about it. And, all you people who do Uber Eats all the time, when do you get the surge money? I don't know. This is just so baffling to me. Why offer it if you're not going to give it? Anyways, please put any information down in the comments. I really, really want to know how this works. And if I did something wrong, I would really like to know what it is so that next time I can do it properly. I just followed the instructions on the app. I don't really know what else I could have done. Do you have to claim the surge money before you take the offer or something? I don't really know. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. If you have some information, please put it down in the comments below, because I really want to learn how this works and what I did wrong, or if you have to have a certain, I just thought of this just now. I wonder if you have to have a certain acceptance rate or something to earn that extra money. That doesn't seem right, but I don't know. I don't have a very high acceptance rate, so maybe that's why I didn't get the extra money. I don't know. Anyways, please let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night, whenever it is that you're watching this, and I'll see you next time.